In this video, I'll show you how to review a pull request on GitHub. First, sign into your GitHub account and open the repository that contains the pull request you want to review. Next, click the Pull Requests tab near the top of the repository page, then open the pull request you want to review. Read the description to understand what changes are being proposed. Now, click the Files Changed tab to review the code. You can scroll through the changes and leave comments on specific lines by clicking the plus icon next to the line number. This is useful for asking questions, suggesting improvements, or pointing out potential issues. After that, when you've finished reviewing the changes, click the Review Changes button near the top right of the page. Choose Comment if you want to leave feedback without approving or rejecting the changes, approve if the pull request is ready to be merged, or request changes if you think updates are needed before it can be accepted. Finally, add an optional summary comment, then click Submit Review to complete the process. Your review will be added to the pull request, and the author will be notified of your feedback. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to review a pull request on GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.